tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures, and hello to our 1.7 million subscribers. Thank you for supporting our channel. Today is story time with Daniel and his family. We have a pockets full of learning, play set, and a book. Let's open up the kit and see what's inside. So the story we're going to read is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. And as you can see, here is the house of the three bears. It's a fabric house, and I believe these are all handmade toys. Have a peek inside. Oh, they have a little mouse. And here are the three bears. Maybe this is it Papa Bear or Daddy Bear? Mama Bear and Baby Bear. We also have the three beds and three little cushions for the chairs and Goldilocks herself. So let's set up the house. There's these little zippers on the side that opens the house right up like so, and there you can see that's where the beds go, and we match them up. And then on the other side, we have the chair that says too hard. And then we have this one that says too soft. And the one that is just right. Let's go. There we go. Now we're all ready to tell our story. So we want to tell our story with the Daniel Tiger figures. So there's Mom Tiger's bed, Dad Tiger's bed, and Daniel Tiger's bed. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there were three bears who lived in a house in the middle of a wood. The father was a great big bear. The mother was a middle-sized sort of bear, and their young child was very small and timid. It looks like they're eating their porridge. One beautiful morning, they made porridge for breakfast. While it was cooling, they decided to go for a walk. While they were away from the house, a little girl came by. Her name was Goldilocks. She hadn't meant to go very far from her parents, but she had taken the wrong turn, and then another, and then another. Well, she must feel scared. Now she was lost in the wood. The sky grew dark and it started to rain. She might be lost forever. How scary. Goldilocks carried on through the trees when all of a sudden she saw the bear's house. It looked friendly and welcoming. I can shelter here, she thought, and maybe someone can tell me how to get out of the wood. When she looked through the window, though there was no one at home, so she went in. Oh. There was a delicious smell of porridge in the air, and Goldilocks was very hungry. She found 3 bowls on the table. She tried the biggest bowl first, but it was too hot, and she burned her tongue. She tried the middle-sized bowl, but that was too cold. Last of all, she tried the smallest bowl, and that was just right. Lovely. Too hot. Too cold. Just right. I'm so tired now, thought Goldilocks. I need to sit down. She sat in the biggest chair, but it was much too hard. Then she sat down in the middle-sized chair, and that was too soft. So she sat on the smallest chair, and that was just right. Lovely. But just as she was getting comfortable, the little chair broke, and she fell flat on the floor. Oh, much too hard. Much too soft. Just right. Ooh! I think I need a rest, thought Goldilocks, and she went upstairs. She tried the biggest bed, but it was hard and lumpy. Next, she tried the middle-sized bed, but that was much too soft. So she lay down on the smallest bed, and that was just right. Lovely. And she fell fast asleep. Oh, much too hard and lumpy. Oh, much too soft. Just right. Meanwhile, the 3 bears had finished their walk. Now they were hungry, and all of them were looking forward to their porridge as they made their way home. Father Bear sat down first and noticed that someone else had tried his breakfast. "Someone's been eating my porridge," he growled. "Someone's been eating my porridge too," grumbled Mother Bear. "And someone's been eating my baby porridge," wailed Baby Bear, "and they've eaten it all up." Oh, we got a flip. One little drop left. "Let's sit down and think who it might be," said Father Bear. "Wait a minute. Someone's been sitting in my chair." "Someone's been sitting in my chair too," grumbled Mother Bear. "Someone's been sitting in my baby chair," wailed Baby Bear, "and they've broken it into little pieces." Aw, Baby Bear must feel sad. "Perhaps they're still in the house," said Mother Bear. "Let's look upstairs." "Look at this," growled Father Bear. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed." "And someone's been sleeping in my bed too," grumbled Mother Bear. "Someone's been sleeping in my baby bed," wailed Baby Bear, "and they're still in it." "Be careful," warned Father Bear. "They could be dangerous." All the growling woke Goldilocks from her dream with a very loud and very long scream that terrified all 3 bears. She jumped out of bed and ran down the stairs and through the front door. In her fright, she ran straight home without once getting lost and was just in time for another breakfast. The bears got on with their day. Father Bear made them all another pot of porridge. Mama Bear mended Baby Bear's chair. And they never left their front door unlocked again. Ah! Okay, tiny fans, should Goldilocks have walked into a stranger's home and ate the porridge and slept in their bed? No. And is it important for the bears or Daniel Tiger's family to keep their door locked when they leave the house? Yes, that's what locks are for. All right, tiny fans, that's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed it and had fun with us today. I love this little playset. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.